Thank you for buying this 22027 cloth rack from Fixture Displays. When folded, this rack dimensions are 45 by 18 by 1.5 inches.
So go like this.
Oh, yeah.
Set up and fold away is super easy. It's very much like a ironing board legs setup. It's made from metal tube and wire, powder coated white. So this is how you open it up, and then you slide one set of legs forward until it sets. You can use them in this dimension or open up the flaps. Give you plenty of space to dry your clothing items. In left or right, you have the 67 inches, front to back 18 inches, and is about 38 inches tall. We invite you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other business and consumer products we have to offer. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs.charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. And this is how you fold it away. It takes very little space, if any, when folded. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like us, subscribe, remember leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you.